It is, very exciting, I think, to be gathered in this historic city. But of course, excitement at HP is nothing new, unfortunately. In fact, if anything, all of us at HP could probably use a little less excitement in our lives. And that is one of my most important goals. I want to get the HP drama out of the headlines and get our fabulous products and services into the headlines and get back to being the reliable, trusted, steady partner that you can count on day in and day out. Well, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I started my career in big companies, much like the ones that many of you work at. I started my career at Procter & Gamble in Cincinnati, Ohio. I started in sales and had a chance to work for some great global companies like Hasbro, the Stride Corporation, the Walt Disney Company. And then about 15 years ago, I joined a small startup called eBay, which I took from a startup to a grown-up, from 30 employees and $4.7 million in revenue to 15,000 employees and nearly $8 billion of revenue. But the thing that is most important for all of you about my eBay experience is I have walked in your shoes. I was a huge buyer of technology, from HP as well as HP's competitors. And so what I think is really unique is that for the first time in quite a long time, the CEO of HP was first a customer of HP. And one of the things I want to do with this company is orient everything we do through the lens of our customers. If we can satisfy you, if we can help you solve really tough business and technical problems, then everything else falls into place. But I think over the last year we confused some people about who we are as a company. And I know this because wherever I travel, to whomever I'm speaking, whether it's employees or customers or shareholders, the number one question I get now is, what is HP? What is your strategy going forward? So here's the answer to that question. And it's pretty simple, it's pretty clear, it doesn't require a lot of explanation. HP is the world's largest provider of information technology infrastructure, software, services, and solutions to individuals and organizations of all sizes. That's what we are. And let me point out a couple of things to you here. We bring the advantages of scale. We have $129 billion in revenue, 5 major lines of businesses, and we operate in 165 different countries. Our innovation, we bring our innovation and our competitiveness to each of you every single day in almost every country and every city in the world. So it's a simple explanation, but it says who we are. And it also applies to our strategy, which in my view is all about building on our strength to deliver greater value to our customers. So let me share with you a little bit about our strategy and how we hope to make that work for you. I am a big believer that when you think about a company, you have to start with your strengths. What do you do better than anyone else? Then build on those strengths to expand into other markets and other arenas. And our core, the heritage of this company, what we do better than anyone else is our infrastructure. Our servers, our storage, our networking, our printers, and our imaging group, as well as our PCs. It's about 70% of our revenues. We have global scale and reach. And we need to stand up and be proud of that core and build everything else we do around what is an area of great strength for Hewlett-Packard. If you think about the next thing we do, it's software. Now, we are not in the software business to transform HP into a software company. We're in the software business to help you solve your most challenging problems. We can manage all kinds of different environments with state-of-the-art software that I think is better than anything else in the business. And one of the things I've heard from all of you is one of the things we do best is we help manage heterogeneous environments. Not only our infrastructure, but other people's as well. And our software helps us do that. And many of you have said this is a distinguishing characteristic of HP. When you work with us, you don't have to throw out our competitors' stuff. We'll help you manage that and take it to a new place. And I want to say a word about our new friends at Autonomy. I am very excited about Autonomy joining the HP family because I think what we will now be able to do is solve a whole host of information management problems, which I think will help you capitalize on a whole new set of opportunities moving forward. So along with our current portfolio, we've got some very exciting new things to share with you regarding Autonomy and how it can integrate with the rest of HP. The next thing is services. Services wraps around our core infrastructure and software businesses, and they are essential to helping you get the most value from HP. Now, many of you in this audience are services customers, and we have relationships that go back decades. Services positions HP to do what we do best, and that is act as a strategic partner to you. We can bring our entire portfolio to bear, and we can make sure that our technology is helping to meet your needs. So we are very excited about our services business. We've got some work to do there, but this can help bring all of HP's resources together. And then last but not least, we're in the solutions business. Our solutions make it all work for you by combining our technologies in a holistic and I believe very compelling way, addressing, interestingly, both technology problems as well as industry problems. And when we bring you a solution, it's designed to help you achieve your business goals. And here's the fun news. We deliver this incredible portfolio of assets any way you want. We can deliver it on-premise in traditional data centers or in outsourced data centers that we manage. We can deliver it in the cloud, in a private managed cloud, in a public cloud, or in a hybrid delivery system, which is a blend of traditional data centers, private and public clouds. We can deliver it on almost any device that you can imagine, applications that are designed and delivered for a mobile world. Each piece of this portfolio works together. Each of it brings a capability to you that I hope will help you turn challenges into opportunities.